I want to quickly share with you my honest opinion after using this set that I bought for myself. This is a Tree Life Total Skin Reset with the Vitamin C Serum, Retinol Serum, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I've been using this set of serums for more than 1 month and I can totally see the results on my skin. My skin looks more firm, more bright, more beautiful, and I can show this to the camera so close, and I'm very happy about this. So let me show you how it looks like inside and why I love this product. Honestly, I love these products because they're working. So there are 3 bottles inside of this box, and I'm following all the instructions that are written on this box. I'm using the vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid serum in the morning, and then I'm using the retinol serum in the evening. Retinol serum supports the collagen production, and I always follow the sunscreen after using this serum. That's what the instructions said. I love how my skin is moisturized and bright after using in the morning this serums. So I'm starting with the vitamin C serum. And then the instruction says that I need to follow with the hyaluronic acid. That's what I do every morning, and I can see the results. I also love that they have natural ingredients, that they don't irritate my skin, and I like how easy it is to apply this product. And I'm usually applying like 3 or 4 drops, not much, to my skin. Then I gently massage it to my face and my neck area too. I like that it absorbs really fast, and I really love the results after using this set of 3 serums, and it works perfect all together. Then I follow with the hyaluronic acid serum on top. Not much, the same 3-4 drops. Also gently massage the skin and my neck. Also with the retinol serum, I'm more careful because my skin is really sensitive, and this product is powerful and strong, and I started using it from 1 time a week, and now I'm using it 3 times a week. And this is how my skin looks like right after applying the serums, and I honestly love this product.